Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the easiest and tastiest recipe to try at home. Today guys, on the menu we have banana bread. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make banana bread, rich banana bread. Without taking much of your time, let's get started. In a clean bowl, go in with your flour. Yes, we are making use of 1.5 cup of flour, self-rising flour. Yeah. So once you've added that, go in with your butter. We are making use of 2 tablespoons of butter. Yes, you can melt it if your butter is hard. If you can see, my butter is soft. All right. Once you've added it, go on and mix it. All right, until it resembles breadcrumbs. Yeah, looking like it, just like this, guys. Moving on to the next ingredient. Now introduce your sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. In this recipe, we are making use of brown sugar and we are using 1/2 cup. If you do not want to add sugar, it is fine, because before now I have made banana bread without sugar. All you need to do is to increase the amount of your bananas, yes, and of course your honey. All right, so guys, moving on to the next one. Crack in 2 eggs in a bowl and beat it, okay? Whisk it. Just like so. All right, once you're done, set it aside, okay? Now, moving on to the next one. Get your banana. We are using 3 medium-sized banana, ripe banana, very ripe. Yes. So peel it. Yeah, get rid of the back. Once you're done, pour everything in your bowl. All right. Let me use this medium to especially appreciate my subscribers, both newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you for your massive love and your support. Please keep up the good work. All right. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Once you've added all of your banana in your bowl, get to your masher and mash them. If you don't have masher, you can use your fork, yes, and mash it, okay? All right, guys, we are almost done with it. Yes, all mashed. So guys, you set it aside, okay? Now, moving on to the next one. This is us going back to our mixed dry ingredients. Yes, the one we mixed earlier. And of course, our liquid, which is our whisk egg. Pour your egg in the dry ingredients. And now introduce your honey. We are making use of 2 tablespoons of honey. Yes. So go on and add it. Now it's time to mix. Get your spatula or your mixing spoon and combine it together. Yes, mix to well combine. Hello, you that is meeting my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. Yes, here we cook, we bake, we do everything edible, so do well to be part of the family, okay? And you can only do that by subscribing. Hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Thank you. So guys, let's continue. As you can see, we are still mixing. Yeah. There is nothing like kneading in this recipe. Yeah, you need to know that. You're not kneading anything, it's all about mixing. So you gotta mix everything thoroughly, okay? Now we are adding our mashed bananas. Yes, so you stir that in. Mix it to well combine, okay? If you have watched up to this point and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please consider doing that, okay? Remember to also comment, share to your loved ones, friends, and families for them to see and try out this goodie. All right? So guys, let's continue. Now we are adding our vanilla extract, yes. Okay, once you've added that, stir also to well combine, okay? The vanilla will serve as our flavor. It will give it that, unique flavor. Yes. Banana flavor, vanilla flavor combined together, or it's a banger. So guys, don't skip it, okay? Now we are done mixing, as you can see. Moving on to the next one, guys. Get your baking pan, yes, or your loaf pan. Drizzle some little amount of oil, yes. Trying to grease our pan, all right? You can use butter, yes. So once you've added your oil, use your brush to spread it all over, yes. In that way, our banana bread will come out without sticking to the pan, okay? It will come out so easily without struggling. All right, we are done. Now pour in your butter, yes. Our mixture, yeah. All right, once you've added it, make sure to adjust it like just this way. Yeah, you want everything to settle. Done. So now pop it into your oven and bake for 1 hour. Okay, before now you have preheated your oven. Okay, and there you have it, guys. Our rich banana bread is set, guys. It is ready, and for you to know if it is well cooked, use your skewer and pierce through it. Once it comes out without any mixture on it, know that it is well cooked. Yes, just like what you just seen. Okay guys, this is us bringing it out of the pan. All right, let's allow it cool down. Oh my, guys, are you gonna give this recipe a try? Please do, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment below. All right, okay guys, now let's have a taste. Get your knife. Let's divide it. Let's cut it together, guys. Oh my, this is looking so good. So good. I can't really wait. I wanted to have a taste. I can't really wait. Yeah, it's actually cooled down, but not completely. So I'll advise you allow yours to cool down completely before cutting. That way the cutting will come out neatly and perfect. Guys, you know your girl. I like tasting it hot. Yes, so this is us cutting our delicious, scrumptious banana bread. Looking all good. Give it a shot, okay? And if you found this video helpful, do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as well, follow for more tasty recipes, all right? See you guys in my next video. Bye.